Sunday morning rain is falling. Dress and cover share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I am in. But things just get so crazy, living like it's hard to do. And I would gladly.
How are you guys doing?
Good morning.
I'm good.
I'm
Good?
fine.
Excellent. Very, very good. Alright, let's begin and then we'll get started.
Good morning, everyone. So right now it is 10:40 a.m. I've got up. I already took my first class of the day, and I just got a Zoom meeting with my chem professor about our project that is due on Sunday because I just had some questions that was very unclear. So yeah, I have 2 more classes for today, but my next class is not until 12:30, so I kind of want to make a little Target run. I think I am going to make a Target run because I just want to get some things for coffee, and Target has what I want, so I'm thinking about doing that and then coming back and making some coffee. Shouldn't really be drinking coffee, but yeah, I think that's what we have on the agenda. So let's go over the to-do list, okay? Because the to-do list is a little heavy today, okay? Let's go over the to-do list because to-do list is the only way I can truly function. The way I've changed how I've organized from last semester to this semester, I'm a lot more productive. I get so much more shit done, and I'm proud of myself, okay? Because last semester, it was rough, okay? It was rough. So let's see what we got on the agenda today. So I separate my to-do list between things that are important and what I like to get done, because what I like to get done just means if it don't get done, it's not a big deal, and I just move it over to the next list. So what was important is that I attend all my classes. I'm meeting with my professor, Psych Notes, CRSB, which is a sorority meeting, and then start the project, at least the first half, which means I need to do some research for tonight. What I like to get done is to send a DEI email to my committee. That's sorority stuff. Anki Chapter 9 vocab flashcards, but I did that last night, so I already crossed that off the list. Spanish VHL and review. Fill out peer mentor application is due March 17. Film a YouTube video, which I'm doing right now. And respond to classmates' flip grips for Spanish, and then watch episodes 3 and 4 of La Casa de las Flores, and to do my flip grip response to that. So that's what I like to get done. It's kind of heavy. It seems heavy, but a lot of these are like kind of small tasks that I can just group into big tasks. But I'm going to go ahead and cross out my meeting. So let's go to Target. Let me show y'all what I got from Target, because I end up spending more money than planned. So we got some Johnsonville original recipe breakfast sausages. We got some more.
You want to get the maple ones?
I didn't see maple ones. They just had these ones. Then we got some beagles. Sometimes it's plain beagles.
Bagels?
Beagles.
Beagles is spelled B. I'm not even going to spell.
It's a TikTok with a girl. Like, I got me some beagle thing. But yeah, we got bagels. Then we got some heavy whipping cream. We got some caramel Sunday syrup, whichever way you want to say it. I'm going to show y'all how much money I spent after I scan my things so I can get my rewards. We got some Dunkin' Donuts coffee creamer extra made with raw cream and sugar. We got some Starbucks iced coffee, medium roast, smooth and balanced, subtly sweet. And I was looking for the Dunkin' one, but they didn't have none. So, and the thing that made me spend the most money is this Bistro electric milk frother, because they didn't have the handheld frothers. This was $30, but yeah. So in total, I ended up spending $55.98 at Target for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. It would have been cheaper because this was $30. So
I spent $10.
You spent $10, and that's it for our Target haul.
We don't eat fast food.
You can eat fast food. Hold on. I'm changing the blurriness so you unfocus. Show them what you got.
some strawberry cream cheese for my crackers.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw the other one
Again,
away.
new phone, who this? And I can't show y'all the other thing because it's from my friend.
Tonight is not supposed to be.
I got her some mini brands because she loves them.
What are mini brands?
Mini brands is exactly what their name is.
Oh, like mini brands and like mini Starbucks, mini dumplings.
No, they're like mini brands, like mini Ron Rice, mini Laura seasonings.
Oh, those. Your girl just got out of the last class of the day, and it's currently 3:20. I'm kind of hungry. Don't know what I'm gonna eat. I could make a bagel, but I think my mom might be actually cooking dinner tonight. I really don't know. But what I'm gonna do is go wash these dishes because my mama hates when we leave dishes in the sink when she come home from work. Maybe dishes in the sink. I'm just gonna wash dishes so she can't say nothing to me. But I just got a text message because my boyfriend sent me another song. But for the rest of the day, I really don't have nothing that is due today. But I have one meeting to attend. I have a CRSB meeting. It's just a sorority meeting. And I'm not going to bring y'all guys to that because it's I actually have to sign a confidentiality form saying that I won't talk about it or bring like anything of these. Yeah. I'm just talking, but I'm going to go wash the dishes, use the bathroom, and maybe I'm going to start on some psych stuff because I have psychology on Friday. Knock some of that work out and start on some of my project stuff.
All of these niggas they mad. All of these bitches they mad. All of these niggas they mad. I walk in the bank in the line. I walk in the bank in the line. I walk in the bank in the line. Walk with the bag. What? Sad. Sad. Mad. All of these niggas they mad. All of these niggas they mad. Walk in the bank and I flex on that boy. I flex on that boy with the bag. Ice on my dick and my mama like, boy, where you get all of that cash? I got the bag. Ice on my wrist, mama like when you get rich, I got it sad, gave her a break, then I gave her a little kick.
Hello everyone, so it is currently Thursday now, March the 11th at 11:04 a.m. and I didn't finish yesterday's vlog, so we're gonna bring it into today because yesterday my boyfriend came over and he washed my hair and then we watched it too and we had dinner and my mom cooking. I just didn't feel like filming because, you know. But if you want to see my boyfriend washing my hair, you can definitely check my Instagram out because I definitely did a live. And it's posted under my IGTV tab if you would like to check it out. Also, while I'm on the verge of talking, I also posted it in my community tab on my page on my YouTube. So if you guys are not in, don't check my community tab, you definitely should because I post a lot of polls there. Especially recently because I'm having a dilemma on what kind of content I should post. But as you can see, yeah, I already mentioned my boyfriend washed my hair. So right now my hair is curly and it's not that much defined because I also had to go to work this morning at Dunkin'. So I've been up since like 5 this morning because I had to work 6 to 10. But I just wanted to say that I want to start like this Snapchat like YouTube group or whatever where I post like behind the scenes of old YouTube videos, Q&As and more stuff like that. So if you guys would like to be a part of that, definitely add me on Snapchat and then like snap me and say you want to be a part of the YouTube like Snap group, and then I will add you in there. And I think that's just like a really fun way to like connect to you guys like outside of YouTube. And I kind of been thinking about doing some lives on like when I do like my plan with me's, or like sometimes like doing a live like study with me. But I don't know if you guys are going to be interested in that stuff. But if you are, please comment down below. Please comment and give this video a like so like this video can get boosted more. And if you haven't turned on your post notifications, definitely turn on your post notifications, because like YouTube sucks, and it kind of sucks being a black YouTuber because you don't get pushed out as much. And it's not that I'm trying to get my content pushed out, but sometimes not getting your content pushed out, YouTube also don't push your my content out even to the people who are subscribed to me. So I just wanted to say that. But I already did my plan for today. I switched, changed my clothes, I opened up my curtains, and I made my bed. And I'm going to start working on my project at 1 o'clock. Right now it's 11, and I'm going to start and get some psych assignments done because I have psychology tomorrow. And I thought I said sociology. So yeah, that's my update, and that's my spill. So this is probably gonna be a day or 2 days or 3 days worth of a vlog. It's just gonna, I don't know, I'm just vlogging because that's the content that you guys voted on. I also have a morning routine for you guys, so it's just a lot. But if you always respond, thank you. If you participate in my polls, if you watch my videos, even if you just click on my videos, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And now I feel like I'm talking way too much, but I really thought that was important to put that out there and talk about. So I'm gonna do some psychology, and yeah. Alrighty y'all, so we about to cook. When I came home and I got off work, I defrosted my sausages that I bought the other day at freaking Target. Yeah, y'all, this is the fit. So we have on our Camp Alpha Chi Bed Day 2021. And we got on some black little shorts and an ashy, and yes, I kind of like blue shorts. Well, we finna cook the sausage because I'm hungry, and I'm gonna make me a sausage cheese bagel. No egg, because I don't eat eggs. And let this heat up.
Feels like I've been gone for so long, for so long, for so long. Moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far, feels so far away, away. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you,
Hello guys, update. It's 9:57 p.m. So earlier I was doing my psych notes, but then my tablet died. So I ended up taking a nap from like 2 to like 5, almost 6 o'clock. I must have been tired, and I just let my body sleep because I'm not going to force my body to sleep. If I'm tired, I'm going to go sleep because if I'm trying to make myself do work when I'm tired, it's just not going to get done. So I'd rather just cave in and then come back and do work. But at 6 o'clock, I have my psych course mentor session, so I went to that. And then at 7, I have my chem course mentor session, so I went to that. And then I was over about like 8:30, 8:45. So then after that, I went downstairs and I ate dinner and ate the leftovers from yesterday dinner. And I made a coffee. Made another one, and I made a TikTok about it, so follow me on TikTok. It's the same as my Instagram handle, simply.forever.asia, and it's in the description box. Follow me on TikTok. I make a lot of random TikToks. And yeah, so now it's 9:58 and it's 10 o'clock basically, and I'm going to do more work because that's all I do now. So we're finna get into doing some work.
Response to love is usually the result of a show of affection or favor, and these seem to be the emotions with which we start life.